Read aloud for GoogleChrome. Here are tutorials for how to add a screen reader for GoogleChrome. You can use these Google extensions to have your messages read out loud. These text-to-speech tools can read emails, textbooks, quizzes, and any other digital, highlightable text. We will look at these now one at a time with an example of each one. Here are 4 options to try. Each one can read text, however some work better than others on different documents. Some have better voices or pronunciation. Not one of them is perfect. You must try each of these to see which you like the best. All of these tools are free for the basic level of use. You should not pay for anything unless you yourself decide you want premium features.
TTS Reader. This is what TTS Reader sounds like when used to read text.
Natural Reader Text-to-Speech. This is what Natural Reader Text-to-Speech sounds like when used to read text.
Read Aloud, a text-to-speech voice reader. This is what Read Aloud, a text-to-speech voice reader, sounds like when used to read text. Selection Reader Text-to-Speech. This is what Selection Reader Text-to-Speech sounds like when used to read text.
Try them out on your computer. To download the extensions, you will click links below. You will be directed to the page for the extension. Click the blue button at the right that says Add to Chrome. The extension is now loaded to your Chrome browser menu here. To use any of these, this is what you will do. Put your mouse up to the top left of the text. On the mouse, press the left button and hold it down. Drag the mouse to the bottom right of the text you want to have read out loud. Now unpress the left mouse button. You will see your options for screen readers. Choose the one you want to read. It should read the text. If it does not, make sure your volume is up so you can hear. These screen readers do not work with pictures of text, only text that you can highlight. Here are some examples of how to use a text-to-speech reader to read items that were sent to you or in Google Classroom. This activity will show you how to use your name and student ID to log into both Khan Academy and MindPlay. To log into Khan and MindPlay, you will need the following information: your first name, your last name, your student ID.
Wanted to personally welcome you back to academics here at Roosevelt Warm Springs. It is my goal to provide you with the same quality experience from our previous interactions at Roosevelt and to provide support while you prepare for becoming work-ready, certified in your chosen areas of employment.
Try them out on your computer. To download the extensions, you will click links below.